Hey guys, welcome back to Mike's World. Today we're going to take a look at this. It's a little Quantichism. I may have mispronounced that wrong, but it is an HDMI switcher. But it's more than just punching between two HDMI sources. This thing is tremendous. It has a lot of functionality, great for gamers, great for video production professionals who just need to be able to switch between two different sources to get one HDMI input. Maybe you have a small A10 Mini. Maybe you work at a church or something. You have 4 inputs. You need a 5th. You can do 2 into one of your A10 Mini sources by using this. Has picture-in-picture, zoom, all that. We're going to unbox it. I'm going to demonstrate it, and then I'll come back here and I'll give you my final thought and grade on this thing. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox the dual video capture card. There's no name brand on the box. This thing's pretty cool. Let's see what this is. The box that it comes in wrapped up. That's not what you're here to see. You're here to see the device. So let's get this thing open pretty quickly, and let's see what's in this box. I've been excited to get this thing because I need it to work, to get my YOLO Box Mini to work. So I've been really excited to get this. I mean, it's really unfortunate that I had to buy this to go with the YOLO Mini, but it is what it is. Okay, so it does have a name on the device, just not on the box. So we're gonna get this out. Seeing it for the first time with me. It's very sturdy. It's like a metal construction. It's not plastic. I was expecting plastic. Rubber feet on the bottom. You have US Type-C. I'm guessing that's for power. Yep, Type-C. You have one HDMI out, 2 HDMI ins. On the flip side, we have a mic in, we have a line in, we have headphones. So that's pretty neat as well. But I probably won't need this because this is going to go into a YOLO Box Mini, and that has the exact same ports on it. What this is supposed to do, and we will hook it up and test it. You have A, so A, B. If you hit the button A or B, it should switch on screen without any kind of a glitch or any kind of lost sync. And then you have, you can swap A and B up vertical or horizontal, this way, this way, this way. You can also zoom in. So it's a pretty basic device, but we're going to plug it into my computer monitor, put a couple sources into it, and we're going to try it out. And I almost forgot to unbox the rest of it. There's more in here. So looks like we have, that is a USB-C to USB-C. It looks like an adapter. Let's see. Doesn't want to come off there. Hang on a second. Let's undo this. Showed you the device and almost forgot to show you the rest of what's in the box. So pretty long USB-C. This should be an adapter. It is. It's just hard to get off. So it's USB-A or an adapter to go USB-C to USB-C. I like having the adapter. I think that's a great add for this device. And it looks like it does come with an HDMI cable. So we do have an HDMI cable to use with this. I'll set this aside for now because I'm not going to need this just yet. So it also comes with an instruction, what is this, quick start guide maybe? Your resolutions, it does 4K, 1080, 720, capture resolution, loop out resolution, and video format. So YU, Y2 or RGB, 24-bit, loop out. So it can do standard definition up to 1080 for capture, and loop out. It can take a 4K signal, but it can't output 4K. So this is a 1080p device, up to 1080p. And you also get the capture user manual and how this works. And I will absolutely read through this before I get started. So let's hook it up and see what it does. So here's what I'm going to do is I've got a handheld camera here, and I'm going to show you as I push buttons. I'll do kind of like a side-by-side here so you can see what this does. So I have my Game Stick 4K, and I also have my off-air cable box or off-air antenna box plugged into this. So B is the Game Stick. If I hit A, you'll see the cable or the off-air, that's Cozy, the broadcast channel. I hit B, and it goes back. Now, if I hit this button, it does a side-by-side of the two. Hit this button. It does a above and a below so that you can have both signals at once. Let's push this one. Push it again. It's supposed to do like a box and box, but it's not doing it. Do this one. Oh, okay, I see what it's doing. So look over here. When I hit this button, look in the top left corner, and you'll see picture in picture. And then the zoom is supposed to make it bigger, but that's not working. This moves it around. There we go. Okay. So you can see as I'm hitting zoom, it's making it bigger or smaller. And that switches. So you could have a camera on yourself while you're playing your game and record from the HDMI out. You go back and forth, side by side. I don't think zoom works. Yep, it does. Look at that. So that's one of the things you can do with it as you hit the button. A vertical, same thing. Oh, look at that. Okay. So there you go. A and B is pretty much what I'm using it for. That's what I want it for right there. So that is how this little switcher works. There's no sync issue, no dropout in between changing. So this could easily be hooked up for your TV to switch between game and cable or TV. You have your picture-in-picture to be able to do what you want to do with that and scale it. So pretty nifty device, and I can't wait to hook it up and use it. So guys, that is the HDMI switcher right here. Very small, very compact, very nice. I'm going to give this an A+. I can't believe how well built this is. I can't believe the functionality of this thing, and for a very modest to cheap price. I was very impressed with this thing. So I suggest you go pick one up. There is a link in the description. You can also check out my shop on Amazon, amazon.com/shop/MikesWorld. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, like the video, and also leave a comment. And I'll see you back here next time. Take care.